cat.
Woohoo! Do that one again.
Pat.
Sat on
bat.
Good job.
Sat on bat.
Grandma, he did it.
Pat on that. Pat cat. It was still there. Pat sat on cat.
Good job.
Pat.
Oh, Darren.
Pat sat on cat.
Grandma.
Oh, Darren, you have to know those words the rest of your life. No, you already knew. Wow.
Turn the page.
Wow.
Let's turn the page.
Nice pictures, Ethan. That's a nice book, buddy.
You're welcome.
No. Oh. No.
No. At. No.
Yep.
No. Pat. No.
Mhm.
You're welcome.
Buddy.
You're welcome. Don't sit on that cactus, Pat.
Good.
Hey.
I see. Good job, Darren. Oh, that's such a good book for you to read. I bet you Mommy and Daddy will be so surprised when you read them that book.
That's a W.
Walk.
We
walk.
No, we sound that one out. L. L. Like. L. That's kind of a hard one. We like.
We like.